loving with me. Now she ain't loving on me.
What's good, man? It's your boy Rich, and today I invite you to come cook with me. So this will actually be my first video, my cooking tutorial video. For anyone who knows me, man, like I really enjoy cooking. I'm a small guy, skinny guy, but I really enjoy cooking. My cooking has come a long way over the years. Shout out to moms, man. Shout out to Tracy. But anyway, we'll be making a simple dish today, man. Something that I call Southern ranch chops. Southern fried ranch chops. I think I just made that up. But anyway, it's going to be good. We're going to be cooking a little different than how I'm used to cooking it. I'm used to putting my grease up in the skillet and, frying that thing up. But today, we're going to be trying a little healthier way, so to say. We're going to be cooking in the air fryer. So with that being said, you'll need these simple ingredients. Your Creole seasoning. I like the Tony Satchel, however you pronounce it. Flour. Can't cook nothing without the garlic powder. I don't care. Like you're not cooking, son. You're not cooking with the garlic powder. And of course, ranch. Oh yeah, and I forgot the black pepper. You gotta have the black pepper. And you can get you some chops. Got mine from Kroger. Nothing big. I'm really a Sam Club guy. Anybody know that? And last but not least, need you some cooking oil spray. And with that being said, let's get to it. So one of the first things you want to do, man, you want to take those chops, man, and run them under some water. Rinse them things off. Massage them real good, both sides. You know what I'm saying? Because one thing about cooking, man, you want to be healthy with it. You can't have nobody out here getting sick off your food, bro. Now on to the next step. All right, so obviously, your next step will be the actual seasoning of the meats. Now, I don't have any specific measurements or anything like that, so if you're looking for one of those type of cooking channels, I'm sorry, but this isn't it. I like seasoned to my liking. But keep in mind that when you got pork chops this thin, you don't want to go too heavy with the seasoning, because a lot of seasonings, they have a lot of sodium in it, and you don't want that salty taste overtaking the meat itself. So keep in mind, you don't want to go too heavy. And it's no particular order that you got to go in, but me, I went with my Creole first, my black pepper, then my garlic powder, and then I hit it with my ranch powder. Now the ranch powder, with this particular dish, you can go heavy with, seeing that the actual dish itself is called Southern Fried Ranch Chops. So you can, hit it with the old lady arthritis hand with the ranch chop, and make sure you get that thing a good pat to really have those seasoning bun with the meat itself. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it sticks. So make sure you get that thing a good pat, man. So for your next step, man, take your empty plate, put you some flour off in that thing, throw your chop off in there, give it a couple flips. Me personally, I usually put my flour in a bag, throw my chop in there and get that thing a good shake. But for the sake of the video, I chose not to be too ratchet, and I did it this way, which I've cooked this way before, and either way it go, you get good results.
She wanna dance with the devil. Dig your grave and bring the shovel. I wrote a letter to my baby. Gave her flowers, yeah, daisy. Plucked the petal, she don't love me. Guess forever wasn't meant to be. Broke my heart, I've never been the same.
All right, you guys, so I have my chops in the air fryer. It's doing this thing. I don't know if you guys can hear that little noise or not. Really can't. But that's one of the things that I love about the air fryer. It's not very loud, opposed to when you're cooking those chops in the skillet on the stove. You got grease popping everywhere. Can't really have your kids in the kitchen. You got to constantly tell them move before you get burnt. Things like that. The air fryer is very kid friendly. I don't know if any of you guys have kids, but me, I have a 10-year-old. I can let him put little wings or whatever he want up in there while I'm just kicking it in the living room. Don't call child services. I kind of monitor him a little bit when he's doing it. But anyway, I usually put them in there about 450 degrees for about 20 minutes. Like I said at the top of the video, man, I've never breaded something myself and actually fried it in the air fryer, so I did have to use a couple YouTube videos for reference. That's why I seen the nice little tip about the cooking oil spray. So halfway through, I'm gonna pull those things out, man, and just spray some of those spots where I feel like the flour isn't getting as crisp And, you know, hopefully this thing turned out nice. All right, you guys. So now it's time to see the ending results. Like I said in the top of the video, and as you can clearly hear in my accent, I'm a Southern guy. So me personally, I'm gonna stick to cooking my joints on top of the stove, and the grease, I personally enjoy the grease popping me. It just does something to me. Don't judge me. So without further ado, man, let me get this camera spent around. And as you can see, man, the junk cooked nice and crisp. I had some yams and some greens and some cornbread left over from yesterday's Sunday dinner. I had to take a bite out that junk, you know, just to see how, see what it's hitting on or whatever, man. And like I said, it turned out nice. And I appreciate you guys for sticking around to the end. Like I said, this is my first time making one of these type videos, so let me know in the comments what I can do better. Or if you got some air fryer recipes that I can try, just let me know down in the comments below. And like I said, appreciate you for sticking around to the end. Reach out. So, this won't be my first time cooking this. Fuck. What's good, man? This actually be my first video ever, so y'all, shit. What's good, man? It's your boy Rich. You'll be cooking with your boy Rich today. Shit.
Moonlight bring the misfits. She broke my heart, I never loved again. She wanna dance with the devil. Dig your grave and bring the shovel. I wrote a letter to my baby. Gave her flowers, yeah, daisy. Plucked the petals, she don't love me. Guess forever wasn't meant to be. Broke my heart, I've never been the same.